Okay, set up the lathe. First up, you put the live sensor in the tailstock. Move the tailstock out a little way. When you see the slot, you stop when you see the slot in the tailstock. You bring the carriage up to it. You put the cutting tool in the tool holder. Bring the carriage up. And you must check this. You have to get down low, make sure the point of this is level with the cutting edge. It has to be level. So that's why you have to go down lower. Once you're happy with that, if it's not level, you add shims to it. You then tighten these up, tight, and that part is done. The next part is the parting off tool. Once again, you turn this around, fit the parting tool in here. Using shims underneath. Tighten the tool up there. Move the carriage across. Make sure the parting tool is level with this. Satisfied with that, you then tighten these down with the tool. Every time you go onto the lathe, you must make sure the tools are actually in the centre of the workpiece. And the only way to do that is by using this live sensor and checking it from there.